In this tutorial, I'd like to review with you how to take a screenshot of something from Padlet and turn it into Google Classroom. Really just kind of taking this screenshot and saving it so that you can turn it into Google Classroom. So uh, I'm going to use this assignment that we're currently working on, but you might be viewing this video otherwise, just to review the whole process. The process is the same. So basically, I would like to copy or take a screenshot of just my comment so that I can turn that in for my assignment. So the easiest way that I like to do it is I like to press the three keys on the keyboard. Those keys are Shift, Window, and S. They're all in the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard. And so once I do that, you can see how the screen has gotten darker, and now my mouse has become like a plus sign. So I'm going to click and drag my mouse in order to select it. Then I'm going to get a notification of the screen that was saved before. So I will click here immediately after I do that, and then I will see exactly what my screenshot is, and I will click on the Save As button. So what I did before this was I created a folder on my desktop called Photo Screen Snips. I highly recommend that you do that as well. And so you can see I tried this out a little bit beforehand. But I would also recommend that you change the file name so that you know exactly what it is in case you need to look at it later. So VM stands for Vivi Admire and comment. It doesn't have to be very long. So I will probably just write over that one and yes. Um, so as long as you save it in one place, then you should be able to upload it when you are submitting. When you are submitting on Google Classroom, you will see something that says add or create. You click on that and then you navigate from there to find your screenshot so that you could submit your screenshot. The other way of doing it is by finding the tool Snip and Sketch. And so I will just close this, and at the bottom of your screen, I think I will try to show you, but if you look at the bottom of the screen where it says type here to search, in the lower left-hand corner, you can just type in the word snip, and the snipping tool will come up. And so what you'll do is create a new snip, and notice the same thing happens to the screen. And so when I click and drag around my comment, that's the thing that I want to take a picture of, then it just kind of pops up right there. And then I can do the same thing and save that snip in that folder where I created it. And if you start going there often enough, it should automatically go to your folder that you created, but you should just be able to kind of navigate from there and find your photo screen snip. And apparently these save as a PNG, which is fine. I'm a bigger fan of JPEGs. They're a bit more common. So if you think of it to change that, you can, and then rename it to fit what it is. So that just for your information, I'll just add it to there. Okay. So then again, you'll go to Google Classroom, you'll press add or create when you are submitting the assignment and navigate to the picture that you just saved and then press submit, and that's it.